This video will introduce you to the steps of using the Talon RTF Kit. Open the suitcase and take out the products one by one. Take out the accessories in the accessories bag. The products and all accessories in the Talon RTF Kit are shown in the picture. In order: place the battery, tighten the zip ties, remove the lens cover. Install the goggles antenna. Quickly power on the drone 3 times to enter the frequency binding mode. The drone has entered the frequency binding mode when the ELS indicator light on the lower left corner of the drone flashes double green. Press and hold the power button of the remote control and the bind button on the back at the same time. The remote control enters the frequency binding mode when the white light flashes. The green light turns solid when the frequency binding is successful. When the drone is powered on, wear the goggles. Press and hold menu to turn O. Press search to automatically bind. Flight glasses manual. Explanation of OSD parameters for glasses. Press the left stick for yaw and the up stick for pitch to enter the menu. Pull down the pitch stick and select features. Press the horizontal stick right to enter the menu. Select VTX menu to enter. The frequency of the goggles end needs to be the same as the frequency of the drone end to get the best signal quality. This column is the current frequency of the drone. Switch to the power column. The factory default power is 800 MW. If not, turn the stick to the right to switch the power to 800 MW. Press the stick down to the save column and press the right stick once to save. Select yes. Select back to exit the menu to the main menu. Select, save, exit. Select, save and exit, save, exit. The VTX power has been switched in the lower right corner. Insert the power plug. Insert the XT62XT30 adapter. Align the balance plug and the power plug and insert them into the charging port. Press and hold the button to switch the full charge voltage. Discharge the battery to 3.85 volts when not in use. This battery is fully charged at 4.35 volts. Short press to switch the charging power. 1 to 2 charging is recommended. The battery charging time is about 30 to 40 minutes. Charging is completed when it shows a green light. Please practice the simulator before flying. If you need a simulator tutorial, please refer to the previous video. The settings of each channel when the remote controller leaves the factory, pause to watch and remember. Before turning on the machine, make sure that each switch is in the off mode. Push the throttle to the highest position before turning on the machine to prevent misunderstanding of locking. Press and hold to turn on the machine. Put the battery balance plug and the aircraft power cable in good condition before charging the battery to prevent accidents during flight. Power on the aircraft. If you are not sure whether the remote controller is successfully linked, you can turn on the buzzer for testing. After checking that the remote controller mode switch is correct, press SWA to unlock the aircraft. Press SWA again to lock the aircraft. Anti-turtle usage tutorial. Before using it, you need to pay attention to the sight to prevent the motor from being blocked and burned. Turn on the anti-turtle mode. Press the unlock button. Push the throttle a little and move the stick in the opposite direction. Please stay away from people and buildings before flying.